So now we will see the basic operations of the algebraic expressions, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of the algebraic expressions. So first we will see addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. So our first question is that add 3x plus 11 and 7x minus 5. So for the addition as well as subtraction of the algebraic expression, we must understand that we have to add or subtract only like terms. Means here in the first expression 3x plus 11 and 7x minus 5, 3x and 7x, these are the like terms. Similarly, plus 11 and minus 5, these are also like terms. So we have to collect like terms together in a bracket, and according to their like signs or unlike signs, we are going to add or subtract them. So we will collect first here 3x and 7x, means 3x plus 11x plus 7x minus 5 we have add here, and now we will add the like terms, that is 3x plus 7x, these are the like terms, plus 11 minus 5, and now for the addition of the like terms we must understand their signs are like or unlike. Means here 3x and 7x means plus 3x and plus 7x, so these are the like signs, so we must add. So 3x plus 7x, it will be 10x, and here 11 has positive sign, 5 has negative signs, means they have unlike signs, and we know that if the terms have unlike signs, then we are subtracting them. So 11 minus 5, it will be 6, and the sign of the greater number, that is plus, so plus 6, so 10x plus 6 is the addition of the two terms 3x plus 11 and 7x minus 5. In the horizontal method, we will write first 3x plus 11 and 7x minus 5. Here 3x plus 7x, it will be 10x, and 11 minus 5, it will be plus 6. So again 10x plus 6, here 10x plus 6, means we are getting the same answer by both the methods, means by horizontal method as well as vertical method. Now we will see the second example, that is add 3x plus 11 plus 8z and 7x minus 5. Again 3x plus 11 plus 8z, this is the first expression, and 7x minus 5 is the second expression. We are going to add them. So I have written their positive sign, and now again we will collect the like terms together, that is here 3x and 7x, means plus 3x and plus 7x, these are the like terms. So 3x plus 7x, and here plus 11 and minus 5, these two are also like terms, so 11 minus 5. But 8j, it has no another like term here, so plus 8z I have written at the last. And now 3x plus 7x, 3 plus 7, that is 10x, then plus 11 and minus 5, they have unlike signs, so we will subtract them. So 11 minus 5, it will be 6, and give the sign of the greater number, that is plus 6 and plus 8z as it is. So our answer we can write 10x plus 8z plus 6. Now by horizontal vertical method again we will solve 3x plus 11 plus 8z I have written here plus 7x minus 5 here 3x plus 7x it will be 10x here plus 11 and minus 5 it will be plus 6 and plus 8z as it is. So our answer is 10x plus 6 plus 8z. So these two examples we have seen for the addition of the algebraic expressions. Now we will see some examples of subtraction of the algebraic expressions. So we will see subtract 24ab minus 10b minus 18a from 30ab plus 12b plus 14a. Here while subtracting the two expressions we must understand that we have to write the expression which is next to from, means after from, that is 30ab plus 12b plus 14 we have to write first, and the expression before from make the bracket and write the bracket as it is, and now subtract the two expressions. Here I have written the minus sign before the bracket. We know that if minus sign is outside the bracket, then while removing the bracket, inner signs of the terms will get changed. So here 30ab plus 12b plus 40a minus 24ab minus 10b minus 18 I have written here. Since minus sign is outside the bracket, the signs of the terms inside the bracket, each and every term will get changed. So 30ab plus 12b plus 40a, here minus plus 24ab, it will be become minus 24ab, minus 10b will become plus 10b, minus 18a will become plus 18a. And now again we will combine or the like terms together. Here 30ab and minus 24ab, these are the like terms, plus into second bracket 12b and 10b plus 10b, 12b and plus 10b, these are the like terms, plus in the third bracket 14a and plus 18a, these are also like terms. And now 30ab minus 24ab, it will be 6ab, then plus 12b plus 10b, it will be 22b, and 40a plus 18a, it will be plus 32a. In this way we have subtract the two terms by horizontal method, and now we will solve the same example by vertical method. So I have told you that the expression which is after from, here after from, right above, and the term before from, right below. So here 30ab plus 12b plus 14a minus 24ab minus 10b and minus 18a. But before starting the subtraction, we must change the signs of the terms at the below. So here plus 24ab will become minus 24ab, minus 10b will become plus 10b, and minus 18a will become plus 18a. And now we have to consider the sign at the below. So here plus 30 AB and minus 24 AB. So here unlike signs are there. So we must subtract. Is 30 AB minus 24 AB, it will be 6 AB, and give the sign of the greater number, which is plus. So here I have written, or it is not necessary to write the positive sign here. Now here both the terms have same sign. So 12B plus 10B, it will be 22B, is plus 22B. Again plus 14A plus 18A, same sign. So addition will be there. So 14 plus 18 will be plus 32A. And now we will see some examples from the exercise 12.2. So first example is that simplify combining like terms. Here first example is that 21B minus 32 plus 7B minus 20B. Here we know that 21B and minus 20B, these are the like terms. So I have taken here plus 7B is also like term. So here I have taken together all the like terms. So 21B plus 7B minus 20B, bracket complete. Minus 22 has no like term, so I have written at last minus 32 outside the bracket. Here 21B plus 7B, it will be 28B, minus 20B as it is, and minus 32 as it is. Again 28B minus 20B, it will be 8B minus 32. So our answer is 8B minus 32. Now in the second example, minus z square plus 13z square minus 5z plus 7z square minus 15z. In this expression, minus z square plus 13z square and plus 7z square, these are the like terms. So I have taken together all these three terms into a bracket, minus z square plus 13z square plus 7z square. Then plus in the second bracket we have taken here minus 5z and minus 15z. Here minus z square plus 13z square is unlike signs are there, so we will subtract them. So 13 minus 1, it will be 12z square, and give the sign of greater number plus z square. Plus here both have the same sign, so addition is there. So 15 plus 5 is 20, and give the sign of greater number, that is minus 20z. Again 12z square plus 7, 12 plus 7, it will be 19z square minus 20z as it is. So that is the answer of our first question. Now we will see the second question. Here P minus into bracket P minus Q, bracket complete, minus Q minus into bracket Q minus P. Here P as it is, but in the before the first bracket there is minus sign, so inner signs will get changed. So plus Q will become minus Q, minus Q will become plus Q, minus Q as it is. Here again before the second side, second bracket, minus sign is there, so inner sign will get changed. Again plus Q will become minus Q, minus Q will become plus P. Here P minus P, it will be 0. So 0 plus Q, 0 plus P. Zero plus Q as it is. Then here Q minus Q, and the last is plus P. So here Q minus Q plus P. Here P will get cancelled, so we will get here plus Q. Here Q will get gain, we will get plus P. So here our answer will be plus Q and minus Q, plus Q and minus P. Now, fourth example is that 5x square y minus 5x square plus 3yx square minus 3y square plus x square minus y square plus 8xy square minus 3y square. Again we will combine the like terms, that is 5x square y, then plus 3yx square means x square y. We can write plus here minus 5x square and plus x square like these are the like terms, plus here minus 3y square minus y square minus 3y square and plus 8xy square at the last. So here 5 plus 3 it will be 8x square y. Here minus 5x square and plus x square unlike signs. So 5 minus 1 means minus 4x square. Then here all the signs are negative, means like signs are there. So addition will be there. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. But sign will be minus. So minus 7y square and plus 8xy square as it is. So our final answer is 8x square y minus 4x square minus 7y square plus 8xy square.